Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun show. In this episode, we'll talk about Accenture's strategic acquisition of NeuraFlash, an AI consulting firm. On August 26, 2025, Accenture announced the acquisition of NeuraFlash, which is the 11th of the year. It's a move that strengthens their AI consulting business and deepens their expertise in Salesforce. NeuraFlash, founded in 2016, brings a wealth of experience, having completed over 1,000 implementations for more than 400 customers worldwide. With this acquisition, Accenture is gaining a highly experienced team of 510 professionals and over 2,000 Salesforce certifications. While the financial details of the deal have not been disclosed, NeuraFlash estimated annual revenue is a strong 84 million, underscoring the value they bring to the Salesforce business group. The acquisition is not a random event. It's a deliberate and strategic decision built on three key pillars. First, agentic AI capabilities. NeuraFlash brings specialized expertise in Salesforce Agentforce, which is a key differentiator in enterprise AI adoption. This positions Accenture to capitalize on the massive $6 trillion digital labor market. As Senior Managing Director Stephanie says, the acquisition will significantly enhance our agentic AI capabilities and allow us to better serve the mid market. That is her quote. Second, market expansion. The acquisition directly supports Accenture's goal of expanding their footprint in the mid market industries globally. And third, Salesforce dominance. NeuraFlash was recognized as Salesforce number one service AI partner and was an exclusive partner for the first wave of Agentforce projects. By bringing them into the Accenture family, they are solidifying their position at the forefront of the Salesforce ecosystem. Let's look at the bigger picture. The AI consulting market is experiencing incredible growth, projected to reach nearly 91 billion by 2035. Accenture currently holds about 7% of the market share in Gen AI services, and this acquisition is part of the larger 3 billion AI investment strategy. This investment is already paying off, contributing to the strong financial performance with 7.7% year-over-year revenue growth in Q3 2025. The synergy between the two organizations is immense. NeuraFlash brings deep expertise in several critical areas. First, Salesforce Agentforce, implementations and optimization expertise. Second, AWS machine learning, which is around advanced generative AI capabilities. The third is around contact center automation, which includes voice analytics and customer services solutions. And the fourth one is about digital transformation, which is their expertise around sales, services, and field operations. This combination leverages Accenture's global scale with NeuraFlash's specialized AI capabilities. This is crucial because only 8% of enterprises have successfully scaled their agentic AI initiatives. Together, these two companies can help their clients close that gap faster. The long-term impact of this acquisition is incredibly exciting. In the Salesforce ecosystem, for every dollar that Salesforce earns, its partners generate over $6 in revenue. And this is projected to create $2 trillion in new business revenue by 2028. AI-led companies are also outperforming their peers by a significant margin, achieving 2.5 times the revenue growth and 3.5 times the productivity. This creates a substantial demand for specialized consulting services that Accenture is now even better positioned to provide. As Brett Kisholm, the CEO of NeuraFlash, puts it, joining forces with Accenture will help us continue to scale, amplify our impact globally, and expand our GenAI capabilities to create new, exciting avenues for innovation. This acquisition is a clear reflection of Accenture's strategy to reinvent itself for the age of AI through the new Reinvention Services business unit. They are not just adopting the future, they're actively shaping it. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Support our work by becoming a member, and please like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show.